everyone, my name is Amy. I am sharing different ESL companies. And today I will be sharing to you, well, not ESL related, but I will share to you a very cute card in Maya, this one, which is the pink color, like a black pink. But yeah, it just arrived, so I want to share to you guys. It is limited. So, kasi ang daming nagko-comment like, they are waiting for almost 1 month, 15 days, wala pa daw yung card nila. So I'm very worried. But it just arrived yesterday. I just received it after 4 days. Kasi within Metro Manila, it's 4 days. But outside Metro Manila, it should be within 10 days. But yeah, I just received after 4 days. So when I look at kasi in the Maya app, it's still like this. So, hindi mo siya mata-track if ever saan na yung card mo, if it's for delivery or what. So, ganyan lang, track your order. But someone called me and yun na pala yung card ko. So, I will share to you this card or unboxing. Here for those who do not have any idea about the pink Maya card, this one. So, Maya Pink Glitter Edition card. I just found it kasi I want to get a card that is just for my shopping and anything, just for everyday. Yeah, because I have a Metro Bank and China Savings Bank, but I want my two card for saving money. Well, I didn't start yet, so that's why I want to get a card that's only for spending so I can save money. So I saw this in Maya card kasi I received my salary in Maya. So yeah, I saw this and I'm so interested in the color. I like it very much. So I search it. Ang daming negative comment like it's not worth it. It's not really nice. Scam like that. But I still like it. And let's see. So yeah, what is Maya Pink card? Here, it's a physical debit card from the digital banking ecosystem, Maya Philippines, that uses the Visa network. So it acts like a Visa card. You can use it. I searched it based on my research. You can also use it in other countries. Syempre may tumatanggap din in other countries like like ATM. So the pink glitter edition refers to its special design, a matte pink card with a glitter look finish. So based dun sa ni-research ko dito sa Reddit, I searched in Reddit, ang daming negative comments. They said that it should be glossy, it should be, yeah, like that, more glitter. Yeah, so it works like a normal debit card. You can use it to pay in store, online, and withdraw cash where Visa is accepted. So, it is linked to your Maya wallet. So, meron dun sa Maya mo, the Maya wallet and Maya savings. So, you can link that one. That means kung how much yung money mo doon, it's the same with your card. It's just, it's hard kasi for me to open my data. So, I don't have load. That's why I want a card of Maya. But then, yeah, I saw this one, the pink one. So, I'm very interested. So here, interest on savings, the card is linked to Maya savings account that offers up to 15% PA interest. Yeah, which is unusually high for the local context. So exclusive design, it's marketed as a limited edition card with a glitter pink aesthetic. So yeah, it's limited. That's why it's kind of expensive. Magugulat ka talaga. It's 450. The card is 450 plus the delivery fee, which is 50 pesos. So I paid 500 pesos. Yeah, so here. At launch, the card was priced at 450 and plus the delivery is equal to 500. So here, my comment din from Reddit, it's not as glittery as was advertised. I honestly feel like I've been scammed for 500 pesos. Yeah, but I think if you are, if you are girly, you really like pink everything. So, meron din mga positive comments in Facebook like, wow, It's so beautiful. It's so cute. I want one like that. So I search here, is Maya Pink card by Blackpink? No, Maya Pink Visa card is not by the Blackpink K-pop group. Maya is launched a limited edition, pink glitter edition Maya Visa card. So here in short, it is issued by Maya, and Blackpink is involved only as part of a promotional offer. The card is not created or owned by Blackpink. So yeah, at this one, Maya tied this card into a promotional campaign. Only a promotional campaign with Blackpink. Spending with the card gave entries into raffles for VIP fan packages and tickets to the Blackpink. So there's a deadline, I think November 11. It's now October 28th. So now let's unbox it. So here's my pink Maya card. And again, it just arrived after 4 days. I'm from Baguio. And yeah, I'm very excited. And even though I don't have enough money in the Maya wallet, but because it's pink, so yeah. Let's see if I will disappoint or regret. But yeah, let's see. So here it says, shop, dine, stream, and subscribe. Withdraw your savings, transfer your savings to your wallet, and head to an ATM. Spend with a personal touch. Show the world username. Pay with confidence. Pay with confidence. Oh, it's so beautiful. So here's my card. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, wala siyang glitters kasi I think there's a purpose. Alam naman nila yun yung mga gumagawa. Kasi ang nababasa ko sa like in Reddit, they want a real glitters like that. Of course, hindi siya mag-aan sa machine. So, ayun, I think it's so beautiful. For me, it's so beautiful. It's so girly. The design is very cute, and I'm really happy. And I didn't get disappointed or get scammed maybe because it's very expensive for paying this for 450. But yeah, I think it's worth it for me. So this card will be expired on valid through October 2029. So now is October 2025. It will end. It will be valid until October 2029. So in 6, 8, 29, 4 years more. So if you may ask, how is the renewal? I don't know also because I tried to search and I cannot search anything about that. But let's see after 4 years. So yeah. So matagal naman siya 4 years. So yeah, that's all. I think that's all. By the way, for those who want to order while there's still available card, just go to Maya app and log in. So here, nakita niyo naman yan, 320 lang ang pera ko. But yeah, maybe ito na ang start ng pag-save ng money. So yeah, just go to the cards, under the cards. So here, cards. After you log in, go to the cards, then get a new wallet card. Yon, get a new wallet card. So you can see here the limited card. Yan, sa Maya app po ito, Maya app, not Shopee or what. So here, and then meron under this, you will write your number, your country, your province, and don't forget this one. Add my username. If you want to add your username here, may add dyan. So, of course, you add na rin para, sayong-sayo. So here, zip code, landmark, and your house number, and your active email address. And then, after that, as I have said, you cannot track it. So, if you go here, ganyan lang siya. So, just wait for a call. If someone called you, just a number, maybe yun na yun. So, if it's within Metro Manila, it's maximum of 4 days. But I'm from Baguio, but I receive it after 4 days. If it's outside of Metro Manila, it's maximum of 10 days. So it says here, while I'm searching, After 2 days kasi nag-worry na ako, I'm searching, how can I track my card if it's for delivery na or if it's in Baguio na. It just says that after 15 days, you can chat with them in Maya app also, which is in Help Us. Contact them after 15 days or after 30 days. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. How about you? Did you get your card? Comment down below. Bye.